Hey, Mr. Young here with another Yenka video. This time just looking at some inputs and outputs. I'll have to probably close this one first so I can actually show you the proper way. Okay, hit the music. So here we are, back on Yenka here, just looking at electronics. So clicking on that and going up to the new tab here, just to create a new page. You can see the circuits that I started off this earlier, and what we're doing is going to get some battery out. I'm just going to show you where to find some of the more output sort of symbols here for like LEDs and motors, etc. So see there under electronic components there's an outputs folder, and there's one for light and one for sound and one for mechanical as well. So you can see here I'm just dragging out an LED. You can find the resistors in two places. It's actually under the outputs there as well, where you just saw it, and it's also under switches and inputs. So you'll probably stumble across resistors in a couple of different places. What you can do here as well is you probably need to rotate this. What you do first is you can change the resistance of it, as you can see. Just pause and just changing that to 100 ohms, and you can rotate it by using the wee circle at the top, or you can right click properties and rotate that way, and you can see I can just rotate it that way and I'll bring it into the system, into the circuit even. So as you can see here, just completing this little circuit just with a wee switch involved, and you might get this situation where you try and switch something on, whoops, doesn't quite work, does it? Now obviously the resistor isn't high enough, it's not protecting the LED at the output, so you might need to kind of change the resistance up a bit. You can do that by going into it, and again you can test it, and you might get several of these. It might be a situation where something just doesn't quite work, and eventually you'll get it working and the LED will go on. So that's one of the outputs. Again, just in the LED is just an output folder there under light, and then I've just copied and pasted that to make it easy, and I can change the output, change the LED to something like a motor. So you see I'm in the output folder again, going into mechanical this time, and selecting motor. There's different ones for different orientations, whether you're having it, the motor spinning upwards or to one of the sides, etc. And to be ultra lazy, just to demonstrate this one, you can see it spinning there. I've just attached it to the LED, or in parallel with the LED. So that's a parallel circuit, just using two output devices. Don't worry about drivers just now. You can probably just open that up just to show you what the relay was. I'm actually recording this after the fact. I did this and then I'm now recording on top of it, hence the reason my actions and my voice might be slightly out with what I'm describing, but still all relevant. And again, for measurement here, or just looking at the voltmeter, again, recording voltage. If you're testing something and you want to check the voltage across something, the voltmeter always goes parallel like that, and you can check it will show an amount in millivolts in this time. And an ammeter, again, need to rotate this, but voltmeters always go in parallel and ammeters always go in series. It's just the rule to make it work, and so that you can record the right information. So there you are. So just very simple wee circuit, and then at the end of this you can copy everything. The other device there is just a wee loudspeaker, or a buzzer I think actually. You can copy and paste it into PowerPoint, and you can type up the questions that are in the actual sheet. So it's just a really brief description of how to basically do a couple of circuits with some outputs that you might have not seen before. I'll probably just leave it just now and wish everybody, hopefully you're all staying safe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.